Have you wondered how AM can help to enhance the performance and service life of a part for an industrial application? What if I tell you that here at Makino AM, with the right selection of materials and process, we are able to achieve this? Let's head to the lab now. Here at Makino Center of Excellence, we are the only service provider in the AM market that operates both as a globally recognized machine maker as well as a service bureau. What this means is that we are able to offer both production-ready application parts along with our materials testing services. What we see here is a slack gate valve and seat ring from our customer for coating. These are widely used in transmission pipelines for the oil and gas industry. Being made of stainless steel material, these parts are highly prone to galling and wear due to the repeated opening and closing motions. Also, the constant exposure to rapid flow movements of crude oil or natural gases make them further vulnerable to erosion and degradation failure. The solution we've offered is to test and apply an advanced material coating that not only improves part durability, but also enhance performance for extended service life. This way, there will not be a need to replace the valve while also lowering overall equipment expenses significantly. Now, let's head to the materials lab where I'll touch more on our materials testing capabilities. Makino AM also provides testing services with our state-of-the-art testing equipment in accordance with the ISO and ASTM standards, and all tests are conducted by materials experts such as myself, and these are vital to the success of our materials development portfolio. Now, let's start to analyze the parts closely. Usually, when you receive such parts from our customers, they are already in a worn state, needing replacement. Therefore, we will first need to inspect the condition of the parts, followed by studying the base material properties. With careful assessment, this information on hand, we can then proceed to make the material selections for the coating. For this case, we've developed an advanced alloy powder recipe that is unique to Makino. This MMC offers exceptional mechanical performance characterized by the high hardness, strength, and wear resistance that is suitable for harsh contact environments and effective in minimizing erosion and corrosion. This is ideal for valve coating application. Thank you for watching. I hope they have gained valuable insights to our advanced alloy coating applications. We have demonstrated value-added services to our customers that goes beyond machines. For inquiries, please do not hesitate to drop us an email. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you.